When I do something that I'm really quite pleased with, I'm proud with, or I'm just downright chuffed with, instead of waiting for someone to congratulate me or someone to give an A or a B or to pat me on the back, I actually congratulate myself by teaching someone else what I just learned.
I think everyone underestimates themselves. I think it's like about pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and just like not having a fear of falling or anything like that. Just, you know, like if you try it, you could probably do it, you know.
What would you say is the key thing that you've learned about yourself today?
To kind of picture your goals and things like that in your head, like painting an image, and that image would help, like, it's going to inspire you to like do the right things to get to that point. So I travel the world with my family, I have a successful business and multiple property investments.
I own my own business and I'm a social worker and I help with teens and elderly people.
If you want to be, I don't know, a football player and you paint that image in your head, to get that, you're going to think to yourself, what do I have to do to get to that point? What do I have to do to get to that image in my head? And you start painting all these other images of you revising or, you know, studying in school, working harder, putting in more effort.
What was your fear?
Falling down from the top.
So what you have is the fear of falling, right? Yeah. What if I get too high? What if I drop and hurt myself? How did you overcome your fear?
You helped me fall back to the floor.
And what you did was face your fear, realise actually not so bad after all, and did it make it easier to do your next climb?
Yeah.
Already your entire body is so much more relaxed. On a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. Good man. This on me. You're scared? You're scared?
I'm scared.
There you go. Yes! Come on!
I thought I couldn't do some of them, like the beginning. I told myself that I couldn't do it, but then after when I strived and told myself I could, then I ended up doing it.
I have more mental strength and physical strength than I realized.
Really?
Stop procrastinating and take action to actually improve.
Work hard, focus and don't give up.